Clipboard's vision is to empower everyone to thrive through activities. We're more than just a sports and co-curricular management platform. Clipboard is a versatile tool for music administrators, teachers, tutors, and anyone in the world of music. Let's explore resource management for music, focusing on inventory, rentals, and maintenance tracking. With Clipboard's inventory management, you can store, manage, and track the movement of resources like instruments and sheet music in a single, user-friendly location. For example, you can check the status of your violins to see whether they are available or currently on loan. Find resources easily by filtering via departments, categories, status, and location. Alternatively, you can also scan barcodes on the go to locate your resource that much faster. Use Clipboard's rental tracking to rent out individual resources to students or staff and easily process returns. Speed up your processes with mobile barcode scanning to create rentals on the go. Track who has a resource at any given time, as well as the issue date, status, and rental cost. See the invoice status and whether or not an invoice has been generated for each rental. And generate rental invoices, which will be sent out to guardians and parents in the Clipboard portal. With maintenance tracking, effortlessly create and monitor maintenance tasks for resources in your inventory. You can document information such as details providing context on the maintenance, the date your resource was sent out, who the repair supplier is, any repair expenses associated with the damage, and whether a student or staff is liable for these costs. Easily handle returns and log conditions from your mobile on your way to your next music lesson. And like rentals, you can also generate invoices for maintenance events. Discover how Clipboard can transform your school's music department. Clipboard, great activities start here.